Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp shopping chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For example, let's say you run online shopping store or any business and you receive multiple message requests from your users at the same time. Responding and managing all these messages manually can be time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, we will automate this entire process by creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's switch to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this right here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we will be creating in this video. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can create this amazing chatbot, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work in real time. For that, I am sending one message to my WhatsApp business account. Here I am sending my first message as hello. As soon as I send message, immediately you will see the bot responds like this. That hi there, welcome to Megamart Online. How can I help you today? With two quick buttons, that is view products and contact us. Here I want to view the product, so I will click on this. Next it will ask me to select the product category with one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of categories, that is fashion and home decor. Here I want to purchase something from home decoration, so I am selecting this. Next it will provide me the list of products that are available in this category, that is wax candle, canvas painting and indoor plant pot. Here I want to purchase wax candle, so I will select this. See, it will ask me to enter my full name that I am going to share as test user. Next, it will ask me to enter the quantity of product. Let's say I want to purchase 10 candles, so I am simply sending this. Then it will ask me for my contact number. After that, you will see the bot responds like this, that thank you for sharing your details. Here's a summary of your order. Product as wax candle that I have selected from the list. Quantity as 10. Name as a test user. Contact number and one message as would you like to proceed with this order, with two quick buttons, yes, confirm order or no change product. Here I want to confirm this order, so I will simply clicking on it. After that, you will see that the bot responds like this. So if you also want to create this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your online shopping business, then simply follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So this is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here, and the people who are facing similar problems just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description below. You can check out. Now we will return to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are existing user just like me, then simply click on the sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. Here you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for both of these steps. Check the description below for the video link. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to enter the folder name name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. Now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It created managed static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. In this video, I am creating a shopping chatbot, so I am simply giving the name as create a WhatsApp shopping chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side, you will see two options. The one is active and inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. So let's get started. Now for creating your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this keyword/regex match. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as hello. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Next, I am writing some more keywords here as hi, order and products. Here I added only 4 keywords. You can add multiple. Now, whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that, I am taking one text button from here and writing one welcome message for my users in this enter message box as hi there, welcome to Megamart Online. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot as an example to teach you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot, but when you create this, you can make the changes in it completely based on your business. At the end of this message, you can see I have write that how can I help you today. Now I am adding 2 quick buttons for my users. So to do this, I am simply clicking on this plus add buttons 2 times, where I am going to write my first button as view products and the second one is contact us. After that, I am going to connect my trigger point to this welcome message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here my trigger point is successfully connected to my welcome message. Now let's assume my users wants to view the products, then they will click on this view products button. Then my bot will reply to them by sending them the list of product categories. So to do this, I am simply adding one list button from here. As you can see that this list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the message body in this enter message box. As here are some categories you can browse, please choose the one you are interested in. Now I am going to add the list of categories. So to do this, I am simply clicking on this edit section button, where I am going to write the section title as product category. After that, I want to add the list of categories, so that I am clicking on this plus add items button 2 times. Here I am going to add only 2 types of categories, but you can add more. But the process of adding items in list is the same. See, here I added 2 categories as fashion and home decor. Next, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of view products to this message. Here, when my user will select the product category, then I want to send them the list of products that are available of that category. So to do this, I am again doing the same that I have done here. Means I am adding one more list button by dragging it here and writing the message body as here are the products in the selected category. Which one would you like to order? See, I am setting this list message for this fashion category. So I am adding 3 dresses in this list. For that, I am simply clicking on this edit section button, where I am entering the section title as fashion product. After that, I am simply clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. See, here the first product I added a slim fit cotton shirt. I also write the price of this shirt in the description box. Next, I have added the floral midi dress and the last classic white sneaker. After this, I am connecting this fashion circle to this specific list. Now I am going through the setup of one more list for this home decor category. Here I added in this the first home decor products I entered as wax candle, including their price. After that, canvas painting, and lastly indoor plants. Next, I am connecting this home decor circle to this specific list. Here, when my user will select the product, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and selecting the button as set custom field. Drag this box here. Here I am going to select the contact custom field as product type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is slim fit cotton shirt, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this product. After that, I will connect this circle to this. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and click on this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, you will see one option is there, name as plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to enter the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of product type, so I am not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field not for this fashion product type. Moving forward, I am going to do the setup of 5 more contact custom field nodes for each of these products types. Here I have added all the contact custom fields. You can see that I use the same contact custom fields in each of these nodes as a product type, but only change the value. At the end, this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now, here when my user will select the product category, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that, I am selecting one ask question button, drag this box here and writing my question in this enter message box. As please share your name so I can place the order for you. For that, I am going to select the contact custom field as full name. Next, the format I select as text. After that, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will respond of the question that you have right here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you reply in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempts for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempts, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. As I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am connecting all these 6 contact custom field nodes to this question box. See, it is connected. Moving forward, when my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share the quantity of products that they want to purchase and their contact number. So I am again going to do the same that I have done here, means I am adding 2 more questions in this flow. Here I added where in this question box I ask my user to share the product quantity that they want to order. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as quantity and the format I select as any. Then lastly, I ask my user to share their contact number. That's why I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format I select as number. I also entered the minimum and maximum value in both of these boxes as 10 times 1 and 10 times 9. You can also use these default values for the number format. After that, I have entered the number of attempts as 0. Here, when my user will provide me their name, product quantity and their contact number, then I want to send one order summary message to my user which includes their selected products, quantity, name and contact number. For that, I am simply clicking on this messages option and selecting the button as text button, drag this box here and writing a message as thank you for sharing your details. Here's a summary of your order, product with dollar symbol, product type, quantity, full name and contact number. You can see that I have used the dollar symbol before some fields because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my users dynamically, as whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field node my bot will automatically capture my users response and mention their provided name in this place, also the selected product type from this list in front of this field. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. At the end of this message I also write that would you like to proceed with this order. Now I am adding two quick buttons for my user. For that I am clicking on this plus add buttons 2 times. Here I have added, first is yes confirm order and the second one is no change product. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Let's assume my users wants to confirm their order, then they will click on this yes confirm order button, then my bot will reply to my user. For that I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button and writing the message in this enter message box as your order has been confirmed. You will receive a call shortly for payment confirmation. Thank you for shopping with us. Now let's say if my users wants to change the product, then they will click on this no change product button, then my bot will reply to them. For that I am simply clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this product category list. With the help of this connection, whenever my user will click on this no change product button, then again my bot will send them the list of product category. Now whenever my users wants the contact details, then they will click on this contact us button, then my bot will reply to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. Here I am going to write all the contact details in this enter message box. Here I entered. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating an automated WhatsApp shopping chatbot. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face any difficulties while creating this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check out. This amazing automatic chatbot will give instant replies to your users without you doing any single efforts, and it is only made possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.